Shantelle from Harcourts, and on behalf of Ian Marshall and myself, I'm delighted to present to the market this perfectly formed family home. Now this one will have very broad buyer appeal. We're a low set property on a low maintenance block with multiple living spaces. You must come and check this one out. It'll be very popular. I look forward to seeing you at the open home.